don't want to be buried!
Ryan, give it everything you've got! Puff away as fast as you can! Good show, Ryan. You did it.
I've escaped an avalanche or two myself, but I wasn't such a scaredy engine about it.
I want to be brave. It's just not easy for me. I'm sorry, everyone.
You're not being fair, James. As I recall, Percy had to rescue you from that landslide, and you weren't being brave. You were being foolish.
Oh, be off with you! My pistons pump with sheer courage alone.
I'd say steam pressure, mostly.
Steam pressure? Unlike you two, I could have handled this journey under my own power.
If you say so.
This blizzard is not letting up, and Thomas and James still aren't back yet.
It has been a long time.
Don't worry, everyone. I'm sure they'll pull through. Besides, Henry, snow is actually water, and as Percy used to say,
Water is nothing to an engine with determination.
Keep going, everyone. If we stick together, we can make it. How are you all holding up?
There are better ways to spend an evening.
I could just do without any more surprises. Wait, where's James?
Whoa! Wait up, Ryan! Ryan, stop! Slow down! Ryan!
Oh!
Ryan! Ryan!
Oh no, we're really in trouble. We're never gonna get out of here. I wanna go home.
Ryan, don't worry. I'll pull you out, and then we'll go back and figure out what happened. Don't worry, Ryan. We'll find James. He's probably not going that fast anyway. We'll catch up.
All right, Thomas. Are you sure we can't just stay in here, Thomas? I don't think I can handle much more of this.
We have to be strong, Ryan. Otherwise the children won't get their Christmas presents on time.
Oh no!
Quickly! Back up or we'll be trapped!
no, oh no, oh no, oh no! We're trapped! What are we gonna do? We'll never get out of here!
Calm down, Ryan. We'll figure this out.
It's going to get very cold in here soon, and we've had to put your fires out to keep the air clean. Otherwise, we might get sick. We need to think of something fast.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear! I think my pistons are already starting to freeze!
Can't we just charge the snow with our snowplows?
That might work if you both try.
No, I don't think I can. We should just wait for help to come.
But Ryan, we need to finish our job tonight. And I don't think anyone is coming to rescue us in this weather.
I can't. I just can't. I don't want to get buried in the snow again.
What do you mean, buried in the snow again?
Well, a long time ago, before I came to Sodor, I was working in a coal mine in the winter. I was only supposed to be there for a short time. Then, one night after the workmen had gone home, I was sleeping on a siding. Suddenly, there was a huge avalanche. I was completely buried. It took them days to find me and dig me out.
But Ryan, if we don't deliver these presents, Christmas will be ruined for so many children across the island.
No, but I'm just so scared. Even that small snowdrift earlier today made me nervous.
Well, a wise engine once said, being brave is not the same as not feeling scared. Being brave is what you do even when you do feel scared. The children are counting on us, Ryan. Can you be brave for them?
I'm still scared, but I'll do my best, Thomas.
Let's do this. We're doing it. Keep on pushing.
No, 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 oh no,
Oh, no.
oh no, oh no.
Ryan!
Oh no! Brake, Harry, brake! I can't! The rail's rushed over! What? No! Whoa, 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 whoa,